Are you looking for the best drum sander in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drum sander that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Powermatic PM2244 drum sander. The Powermatic PM2244 is a serious drum sander that sparkles in every sense, with a unique control panel and features that make you look like a pro with every wood project. It is all that you need for large board sanding tasks. Powered by a 1.75 HP motor and running a 22 inches drum, this drum sander allows you to work on blocks as wide as 44 inches. This makes it the perfect option, almost for any woodwork project. Another selling point of this drum sander is its digital depth display that allows you to be highly precise, measures to 1/1000th of an inch. We like this LCD display because it takes the guesswork out of the equation when working on woodwork sanding projects. And there is no doubt, at 400 pounds, this sander is a monster. But this is a good thing because it provides the firmness and strength that you need to sand up to 44 inches wide blocks of wood. Do not let the size intimidate you. Learning how to use it and start working as a pro will take no time. Up next in the 4th place is the Jet 649,003 Kelvin drum sander. Coming close to our top pick is the Jet 649,003 Kelvin drum sander, with its intelligent finish that makes it a perfect pick for professional woodworkers. Whether your work targets serious stock removal or minor shaves, this drum sander guarantees the best result with its awe-inspiring features. Like our first pick, this drum sander is run by a powerful 1.75 HP motor that makes it easy to handle even wide boards of up to 44 inches broad and 4 inches thick. This capability makes this machine an ideal piece for workshops that handle a wide variety of projects. If you deal with a lot of smoothing tasks, this machine has a continuous duty motor that will help you increase the overall output. Using its Sand Smart technology, the machine monitors the load on the drum motor and automatically adjusts the feed rate to avoid overloading. The 3rd product on our list is the Shopfox W168 drum sander. Whether you're sanding large piles of panel assemblies or want every job you do to stand out, the Shopfox W168 is a champ that will never disappoint. This is why we recommend it for the most demanding or busy workshops. One of the primary selling points of this sander is its powerful 5 HP motor that generates a maximum of 3,450 RPM, which is strong enough even for the most demanding sanding tasks. To ensure that no power is lost, the machine uses urethane drive belts. This design has made this sander one of the top recommendations by professionals. We also like the sander's multi-function control panel with amp meter that makes it easy to adjust every component. Using the control panel, you can turn the conveyor on, off, monitor the sanding load, and switch the sanding drums on, off. And that is not all. The large red stop button makes it easy to promptly power down the machine. No matter the sanding task at hand, this machine comes with a fast and efficient changing system. Using the hook and loop sandpaper attachment, you can easily change the paper in the middle of a sanding task without losing significant time. Second on our list is the Powermatic DDS 237 drum sander. It is conspicuously one of the largest and powerful sanders that Powermatic ever designed. When it comes to sanding, this Powermatic DDS 237 double drum sander tosses the competitors out of the water. This sander is powered by a Super 10 HP motor that fires the dual drums at a maximum rate of 1,700 RPM to smooth even the hardest pieces of wood like cheese. No smoothing task is too difficult for this monster. The sander depicts the traditional Powermatic's focus on delivering top-notch quality in its power tools. In line with this, the sander is sturdily constructed using cast iron. This helps to reduce vibrations and make the machine longer lasting. To make the machine more effective, its 1/4 HP feed motor works with a 2-speed forward and reverse gearbox. With every aspect of this drum sander ticking in the right, you might ask, why is it not the top pick? Yes, it is awesome, but the sheer size and weight are overwhelming. This is why we strongly recommend it for busy commercial wood workshops. Finally, the top product on our list is the Benchtop drum sander. In most workshops, space limitation is always an issue, but this should not bother you if you select the Benchtop drum sander. It is a mini in almost all senses. In comparison to our top 3 models, this sander is smaller, lighter, and less expensive, but delivers enviable results for both professionals and hobby woodworkers. This drum sander is run by a 1 HP motor that delivers a remarkable 1,700 RPM. We found this to be ample, even for tough sanding tasks. With this motor, the machine can easily sand blocks of up to 20 inches wide. Another selling point of this drum sander is its efficient dust management system that makes the workplace healthy and mess-free. The sander uses a patented dust hood that directs dust to a large 4 inches collection port. The sander comes with a range of convenient adjustment mechanisms that make it easy to use, even for a newbie. These include a lathe wheel that makes adjusting the wood thickness fast. Further, it features an infinitely variable speed control that allows the user to select the maximum feed rate. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.